Hello everyone. On behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, welcome to this video on how to close your sales tax account using Revenue Online. You can pause and rewind this video at any time to review the information provided. In order to close a sales tax account using Revenue Online, you are required to have established access in the Revenue Online system. You will need to log in using your Revenue Online username and password. This will bring you to the home page, where you will have a list of your accounts and your account actions. You will need to go down to Sales Tax, and under Account, click Additional Actions. From here, in Additional Actions, you will need to click Cease Account. You will need to add a closure date and a reason from the drop-down. If the reason is not listed, click on OTH for Other, then click Submit. Enter your Revenue Online password and click OK. Once you navigate back to the home page, you will see your accounts are closed. We encourage you to file your final return prior to closing your account. You will still have access to your account if you did not file your return before closing the account. If you accidentally closed your account, you will need to contact the Department of Revenue to reopen the account. The Colorado Department of Revenue aims to make complex tax information easier to understand. We do have a variety of resources available for you through the Colorado Department of Revenue, including our taxpayer website, taxpayer helpline, email, and local offices. We can help you navigate through the system. After all, taxes are a specialty. You can also sign up for our free emails to receive alerts regarding new tax information. On behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training, thank you for watching this video. The Colorado Department of Revenue is always here to help you be voluntarily tax compliant through information, education, assistance, and customer service.